the most powerful temple in the world. This is the most powerful temple in the world. Why? Because 5 goddesses in one Garbhagudi. You mean in one small area. Help me to bring out a nice, superb, powerful idol with the 5 metals. Namaste, I am your Amarnath Guruji. The reason today we are doing this video is I am asking you the help for the temple. The help is not the money, we need the metals, the brass or copper or or any metals which is used in Panchaloha. You means 5 elements like that, 5 metals. We need 3.5 feet height idols, 5 idols we are going to make it. So we are going to place a Sri Chakra, very big Sri Chakra, that is 3 feet broad and 3 or 3.5 feet height, a very big Meru Sri Chakra, and we want you people to help our temple with the metals, not with the money, not with the money. We want the help to get the idols. We will make the idols out of the metals with 5 metals. So I am requesting you to send the metals, whatever old metals you have at your home, you can send them. We will just melt them down and we will make the statues. So the most powerful temple in the world, this is the most powerful temple in the world. Why? Because 5 goddesses in one Garbhagudi. You mean in one small area. Okay, that is Mahalakshmi, Kamakhya Devi, Bhadrakali, Ganga Devi and Sri Chakra Tripura Sundari. This is a most powerful combination. No one can handle this kind of goddesses, this much powerful goddesses in one place. But that is because of me, because of my past lives. I have been done the sadhanas of these goddesses, so they are now live here. We have got some CCTV footages, some samples also. The night time they come and go, goddesses. So these things are unbelievable to the science, but definitely when it comes to spirituality, definitely we believe. So I am asking you the help to help me to bring out a nice, superb, powerful idol with the 5 metals. When we have 5 metals, all the 5 elements will be active, and the devotee who is coming and just taking the darshan itself, they will get so much of positivity, and their all things will be done. So please do help me with this. Help our temple to have nice, powerful statues. Thank you very much. Please do send the courier to this address. Namaste.